Hello, this is your cameraman Daniel again, and this is the second video for today's construction date is January 3rd, 2023. They're still working on the bulldozer. Yep. Look at they're piling up some stuff, and it might take some time to do anything. Still cloudy, but it's getting near like nightfall, something like that. Look at that. I wish he probably leaves right now. Tomorrow might be warming up like in the low 60s, something like that. Not supposed to be having warm weather in January, but we might get like upper 30s, low 40s, sometimes even in the mid 40s. It's like watching the Fraggle Rock when like the Doozers doing like their construction. I'm talking about the original Fraggle Rock in the 1980s. HBO used to make that show. Then they show reruns of it on the Disney Channel. Look at the bulldozer. I wish he gets out of here right now, so I can walk around on this. Maybe not, but I can't because of this bulldozer. Still doing it. They haven't been doing this since like October 31st, around like Halloween time. Look at that. We did a lot of these construction videos in the past on this block since 2021 of last year. I mean, a couple of years ago, and lots of it last year, like some in March, some in August. We're not far away from the daylight savings. We only got a couple of more months. And I'm dying to go to that Reader's Ice Cream Parlor, right down the block of the Walter Griffin, and Mount Hope Avenue. Pretty good exercise to go there. And there was another one on 61. Somewhere not far from the motor vehicles, around Schuylkill Haven. Look at that bulldozer. I guess that wraps it up for the second video. I'll see you in a little later for the third video when I take it from the outside. I gotta charge my phone for a little bit, and I'll see you later. Comment to subscribe or ring the bell on both videos. Goodbye, and keep you posted.